Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram account. Let's see. First download Instagram apps from your app store. Then open Instagram apps. On the bottom, you will find create new account. Click there. Now type your mobile number or you can use your email address by clicking sign up with email address. Now write your email address, then click next. Now go to your Gmail and copy that code. Now go to your Instagram and paste that code here. Now click next. Now write your full name, then click next. Now write your password, then click next. You can save your login info for future login. Then select your birth date. Now click next. Now create a username for your account. Then click next. Click I agree. Now add a profile picture. Now they will suggest some people to follow. Now your Instagram account has been created. That's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.